Whoops. Yeah, let me turn this on. Oh, you guys probably can't hear that. There we go. Let's see, what else do I want to get done today?
Jake from State Farm. I'm winning. I finally cleaned my house, so I'm breaking out my new tropical room spray.
Keep winning and create an affordable price just for you by bundling your home and auto with the State Farm Personal Price Plan. It's like your own personal paradise.
Ooh, hey, grab me a coconut water.
Bundling, just another way to save with a personal price plan. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Prices are based on rating plans that vary by state. Coverage options are selected by the customer. Availability, amount of discounts and savings, and eligibility vary by state.
Inside Out 2 is now on digital. Be the first to watch at home today.
Our little girl's growing up so fast.
We're expanding the place for the others.
What others?
Hello, everybody. I'm Anxiety.
Make room for new emotions and enjoy the #1 animated movie of all time.
I've learned that every emotion is good for Riley.
With exclusive bonus features.
This is the moment we've been waiting for.
Awesome!
Turn your Pixar movie collection inside out. Buy Inside Out 2 now on digital. Rated PG. Bonus features not rated.
Hey, my name is Jared.
And this is Matt.
And a little thing we love about the Chick-fil-A maple pepper bacon sandwich is that sweet and savory flavor combo. I love the grilled chicken because of how juicy it is. It has that perfect smoked flavor.
And then the crunch of the pickles and the sweet heat that they bring just ties it all together.
And that crispy sweet bacon, it adds so much flavor.
It ties in amazing with the warm, soft bun. You can really taste the sweetness in every bite.
The maple bun is bringing the fun.
Order the maple pepper bacon sandwich on the Chick-fil-A app today. Available for a limited time. Real guests paid for their testimonials.
Okay, we're getting there. Oops. Hey, whoops, there it is. Where's my list? Okay. Oh, whoops. I meant to. This open. Should have done this before I started. Update the title. Okay, come on, come on. Sweet.
What's up? I'm Miles.
Hey, and I'm Jara.
And a little thing we love about the Chick-fil-A Maple Pepper Bacon Sandwich is how the flavors come together. First, I taste the smoky grilled chicken, then the pepper bacon with that maple bun, added with the sweet heat and the pickles.
I'm really sold on the pickle. It meets you in the middle with the sweetness and the heat.
It's spice-tastic.
Yum-licious.
Flavoristic.
The sandwich of the summer. The Maple Pepper Bacon Sandwich.
Order the Maple Pepper Bacon Sandwich on the Chick-fil-A app today. Available for a limited time. Real guests paid for their testimonials.
Save big on all your back-to-school needs. All in the Smith's app. Get flavorful, fresh Heritage Farm chicken drumsticks or thighs for $1.29 a pound with your card. Then get 16-ounce packs of juicy organic strawberries for $1.99 each with your card and a digital coupon. Shop these deals at your local Kroger today, or click the screen now to download the Smith's app to save big today. Smith's, fresh for everyone. Prices and product availability subject to change. Restrictions apply. See site for details.
Okay, so we're in the data.
When I found out I was going to be a parent, I immediately felt a lot of anxiety and worry. So I went on to BetterHelp to try to look for a therapist to help me with that.
My relationship with my family and with my boyfriend and with myself were suffering. I really needed help.
I was ruminating a lot. Really getting those thoughts out to a therapist and getting feedback was just life-changing.
If you're thinking of trying therapy, learn more at BetterHelp. That's betterhelp.com.
Perfect. Okay, I can't remember what I I guess I don't know. Yeah, category doesn't matter. Match on. Keyboard. Oh, no, I don't want that. I want groceries. Candy. Shoes. I can type. Groceries. Okay. That didn't work how I wanted it to. The dictionary that I made. Step into that. Oh. Crap. Huh. Shoot, that's why it's not working. Oh man. So basically what's happening is, I can't believe I didn't think about this. So when I guess so the way the dictionaries work is you need a key and a value pair. But the key can't change. Basically, whenever you choose a key, that's dang it. Yeah, so what I'm doing is what if I do it the other way then?
Light it. There's only one place you can hear a three-time national championship winning head coach.
A Heisman Trophy winning running back and national champion.
And someone to keep everything on the tracks. Every week, Coach Urban Meyer, running back Mark Ingram, and me, Rob Stone, get into what matters most to you.
We take you inside the biggest moments in college football
while having some fun bringing you guests from all over sports and entertainment.
Watch Triple Option on YouTube or listen on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts.
Start your future at Eastern Shipbuilding Group and begin a new career that offers long-term financial stability, increased wages, bonuses, with full benefits. Eastern Shipbuilding, located on the world's most beautiful beaches in Panama City, Florida, has been committed to producing the highest quality vessels for our customers for over 40 years. Now, hiring first-class ship fitters, welders, electricians, pipe fitters, and many more. Offering a relocation bonus and the potential to exceed $80,000 or more for most of our top craft positions with incentive bonuses and overtime. Apply at easternshipbuilding.com. At Eastern Shipbuilding, it's more than a job, it's a career.
ICON is seeking healthy adults ages 18 to 55 to participate in a clinical research study. Volunteers must be available for one stay of 15 nights and 16 days. You may earn up to $8,600.
Okay. So okay, so the problem is that I keep adding a new value to a key, but what I'm thinking is if you just flip the order, so the key is the thing that I'm looking for, which I think is what I wanted to begin with, but the key is the thing that I'm looking for, and the value is the thing that I want to go in the column. So the value is going to be the category or the company, and the key is the thing that I'm looking for in the description. I think that will probably work. Let me test something out first. Okay, so excuse me. Testing something new. if I do... So let me give a better example. What am I matching on? And shoes, groceries. That again. Keyboard. Screens. Dang it. Dang, I need to go back to the drawing board on this one. Should be the other way around, right? Or am I just super confusing myself? Okay, this is what I want. And currently, either. Smokes. So I want to do this. Was I just misunderstanding? Oh, yeah. Ah, dang it. Okay, that sucks. Gosh dang it. I thought about it the other way.
Get in zone, AutoZone.
Welcome to AutoZone. What are you working on today? Ah, starting trouble. No one likes that. We can get you set up for some stronger starts. You might just need a fresh charge, and we can take care of that free of charge. But if it is time for a new battery, we've got replacement batteries that'll fit your needs, starting at just $79.99. That's what makes us America's #1 battery destination.
Get in zone, AutoZone.
Restrictions apply.
Hey, my name is Jared.
And this is Matt.
And a little thing we love about the Chick-fil-A maple pepper bacon sandwich is that sweet and savory flavor combo. I love the grilled chicken because of how juicy it is. It has that perfect smoked flavor.
And then the crunch of the pickles and the sweet heat that they bring just ties it all together.
And that crispy sweet bacon, it adds so much flavor.
It ties in amazing with the warm, soft bun. You can really taste the sweetness in every bite.
The maple bun is bringing the fun.
Order the maple pepper bacon sandwich on the Chick-fil-A app today. Available for a limited time. Real guests paid for their testimonials.
This is brought to you by Fruity Pebbles. Add some creativity to your mornings with Cocoa Pebbles. With rich chocolatey flavor to feed big inspirations, Cocoa Pebbles turns the world into a playground, making breakfast a delightful canvas for creativity. Explore a world of culinary adventures and transform ordinary pancakes into chocolatey masterpieces. So what are you gonna yabba dabba do next? Head to postpebblescereal.com to learn more. Yabba dabba do and the Flintstones and all related characters and elements, copyright and trademark Hanna-Barbera.
Let's try this from scratch. Excuse me. Contains not value. Key. that's the only other place I need to change it. Okay. Yeah, I don't need that anymore. Don't need this.
Pulling on dubs, feeling like a king. Riding 22's got a fat diamond ring. Living life fast, need never wait. Shorty by my side, she my soulmate.
Ran, sweet.
Rolling in the drop top, feeling the breeze. The sun shining down, everything I need. Got the bass bumping, everybody looking our way. Got the whole city feeling like a brand new day.
Okay. Let's run that. Yeah, looks like it worked. Okay, now that should just do that. Sweet. Now, let's comment all this out.
Pulling on dubs, feeling like a king. Riding 22's got a fat diamond ring. Living life fast, need never wait. Shorty by my side, she my soulmate.
Oh. Okay, yeah, it is working. So we had 72, now we're down to 55, 46. Sweet. What did I put that as? Oh. Can't even see what I'm doing. There we go. Oh, car payment. There we go.
Need inspiration? Shop Smith's for over 30,000 mouth-watering choices with savings beyond low prices, like digital coupons worth over $600 each week and up to $1 off per gallon at the pump. More savings and more inspiring flavors make Smith's worth it every time. Smith's, fresh for everyone. Fuel restrictions apply.
We've locked in low prices to help you save big store-wide. Look for the locked in low prices tags and enjoy extra savings throughout the store. Smith's, fresh for everyone.
Everyday life can get very stressful. That's why the Lo-Fi Study and Focus playlist by Lola offers you a variety of relaxing songs and chill beats to help you manage your daily tasks. Catch that little break and listen now on Spotify.
Hi, I'm May Stevens, and you're listening to my new track, You Don't Remember Me, from my debut EP, Securely Insecure, on Spotify.
Sweet. Oh, I don't need that anymore. So really it should go... Really should go like that, and then... Alright, I finished. Sweet. Getting a lot of work done. I'm gonna take a little break, go run to the bathroom, and get a bit of water. I'll be right back. Yeah, I really need to get like taking a break screen or something like that. Still very new to this whole streaming thing. This is only what, week 3? I think. Yeah, week 3. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. This is not going to be too hard, so shrink this pane down a little bit. I guess I don't really know how to proceed. How best to proceed. Everything's working the way that I want it to, at least. Yeah,
Save big on all your back-to-school needs. All in the Smiths app.
Get flavorful, fresh Heritage Farm chicken drumsticks or thighs for $1.29 a pound with your card. Then get 16-ounce packs of juicy organic strawberries for $1.99 each with your card and a digital coupon.
Shop these deals at your local Kroger today, or click the screen now to download the Smiths app to save big today. Smiths, fresh for everyone. Prices and product availability subject to change. Restrictions apply. See site for details.
Hey, it's Kaylee Cuoco for Priceline. Ready to go to your happy place for a happy price? Well, why didn't you say so? Just download the Priceline app right now and save up to 60% on hotels. So whether it's Cousin Kevin's Kazoo concert in Kansas City, go Kevin, or Becky's Bachelorette Bash in Bermuda, you never have to miss a trip ever again. So download the Priceline app today. Your savings are waiting.
Go to your happy place for a happy price. Go to your happy price, Priceline.
So you're a good cop then?
Yes, very. And you are an assassin. So, why did you save the girl?
Easy question, not so easy answer.
Legendary director John Woo brings a non-stop action thrill ride to Peacock.
Give up the girl, or they will send every killer in the city after you.
Never send boys to do a woman's job.
The Killer. Rated R. August 23rd. Only on Peacock.
With so many choices on Booking.com, there are so many Tina Feys I could be. I could book a cabin in Colorado and be outdoorsy Tina. I'm gonna scale that hammock over there. I could book a hotel with breakfast included and be indoorsy Tina. If anyone needs me, I'll be in a food coma. Or maybe I'll book a vacation home in Charleston and just be doorsy Tina. Whew, look at the knocker on that one. With so many choices across the U.S., you can book whoever you want to be. Booking.com, yeah.
My dad works in B2B marketing. He came by my school for career day and said he was a big ROAS man. Then he told everyone how much he loved calculating his return on ad spend. My friends still laugh at me to this day.
Not everyone gets B2B, but with LinkedIn, you'll be able to reach people who do. Get a $100 credit on your next ad campaign. Go to linkedin.com/campaign to claim your credit. That's linkedin.com/campaign. Terms and conditions apply. LinkedIn, the place to be, to be.
Save big on all your back-to-school needs, all in the Smiths app.
Get flavorful fresh Heritage Farm chicken drumsticks or thighs for $1.29 a pound with your card. Then get 16-ounce packs of juicy organic strawberries for $1.99 each with your card and a digital coupon.
Shop these deals at your local Kroger today, or click the screen now to download the Smiths app to save big today. Smiths, fresh for everyone. Prices and product availability subject to change. Restrictions apply. See site for details.
So, I have the GitHub repo up. I wanted to look up block. Hey, Zai. I apologize. I don't know how to pronounce your name. How you doing this evening, Zai? Is the data frame Oh, good morning. Excuse me. Hope you slept well then. So, name of the description column, you're looking for the name of the new column. So Zai, to catch you up, I'm building just a small little, what's it called, personal finance app. So the idea is that you go out and you get your, that looks horrible. Let me pop this open in Excel. So the idea is that you have your bank statement looks something like this. Oh, I don't need that. These are columns. Okay. But yeah, you get something like this from your bank with the amount, the description of, like the transaction description, date that it happens, and the end goal is, you know, you take this data, you clean it up, you put it into a database, and then from the database you hook that up to some sort of a dashboard of sorts that you can kind of move around, slice and dice however you want to kind of see where your money's going.
Yes.
For me, it's based on a couple of projects.
So why did you say Lego?
Easy question. Not so easy.
Which I can show you in a second.
Legendary director John Woo
Basically,
brings
what
a
I'm
non-stop
doing here
action thrill ride
is
to
I want to
Peacock.
capture the companies that I'm spending money at and the transaction types, so whether it's like income, your groceries, fund money, utilities, your car payment, your rent.
Only on
So that way you can see how much money's coming in, how much money's going
Explore
out.
over 2 million new
That's kind of the
possibilities on
idea.
Cars.com. Like a small car
right
for the
now, just let me save that.
Or something that fits all the gear. Or even a hybrid for better miles per gallon.
Back.
Find your next car on Cars.com.
Keep using
Where
the
to
format.
next? Click or tap the banner to start your search.
Right now, I'm just writing a couple of functions.
Save big on all your back-to-school needs. All in the Smiths app. Get flavorful, fresh
This
Heritage
one will-
Farm
I don't
chicken
know if you're
drumsticks or
familiar
thighs
with,
for $1.29 a
Python,
pound with your card.
but this'll
Then
take-
get 16-ounce packs of juicy organic strawberries for $1.99
This
each with your
function
card
takes
and a digital
a
coupon.
dictionary.
Shop these deals
which
at your
is
local
a,
Kroger today, or click the
key
screen
value
now
pair,
to download the Smiths app to save big today.
and,
Smiths, fresh for everyone.
it
Prices and product
will add on a
availability
new
subject to
column
change. Restrictions apply. See
with,
site for details.
So in the data, it'll look for this value, and when it finds that value, it'll stick this value into the column. So you end up with something like this. That's not gonna work. Haha. Let's run everything above it. Uh-oh. System cannot find path specified. Okay. I just need to close out of that. I don't know what changed. That's really weird. Oh, that's what changed. That's what changed. Whoops. Go back. Yes, that's what changed. Personal finance analysis app. Okay. Now let's run that. Okay, that worked. Haha. Run all these guys. Run this, run that, run this too. So now, when you run this, so you saw before the date and amount, and description columns were already there. And so what this map dictionary to column function does is it adds a company, so for me I have a company dictionary and a transaction type dictionary, which I probably should just call like category. I don't know. But what it does is it adds these new columns on the end of your data frame. So now you can slice this up and be like, okay, how much money is coming from or going to Maple Games or Andy, Apple, football, etc. And where's my money going from income? Where's my money going to groceries? That kind of thing. But yeah, happy you could join. Hopefully you've had a good night's sleep, and a good rest of your day. Oh yeah. Here, let me turn that down. Music 1/3 of your voice to be decent. Is the music better, Dev? Turn it down just a little bit more. Way better. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Let's see. Okay, do I have the notes that I want here? Oh, finally a voice. Awesome. Thanks, Dev. Oh yeah, so this is literally week 3. Do I sound good? Am I loud enough? Do I need to turn it up or down? Let me know. Let's see. Okay, good. Yeah, still noob here, streaming. So, yeah, any any pointers would be very helpful, and a follow if you like the stream would be sweet. Okay. So, hopefully Zai's still here. Awesome, thanks. I appreciate the understanding, Dev. But yeah, so hopefully you guys were there for the explanation of the first function, but the second one. So the thinking for this one, the filling in new values. So the idea is that this app will work, or rather that you need to update it every month, right? I mean, every month you can go out and download a transaction list from your bank, and obviously there's going to be some transactions that are the same. Hopefully rent's the same, or most likely rent is the same, and but there are going to be new places that you go, and spend money, and maybe there are new categories, or you change categories or whatever. And so what this function is supposed to do is when null values show up in again in um, um, if these dictionaries don't get every single if they don't pick up every single value in the description and give it some sort of label, then what this function will do, if there are any null values in whatever column you're looking at, so in our case company or category, it'll ask you, hey, here's what the description is, what do you want to look for, and what do you want to put in the column. And so, but yeah, the idea here, again, it's the idea is that there's going to be multiple different businesses that you spend money at, and yeah. Anyways, so I'm also a very new Python developer, in quotes. So still trying to, obviously this probably isn't the best way to write these functions, but yeah, I'm just giving it my best shot. So df is going to be basically this is all the same. Data frame you're working with. I have experience with R and SQL, so I already have a database coded up and ready to input this data into. Yeah, that's about it. Whoa, not that much. How about you, Dev? Any languages under your belt? What languages under your belt? Description like column.
Look at your cup holder. It's empty, and you're feeling thirsty. Head to a nearby convenience store and fill it with a Pepsi Zero Sugar.
No one wants to listen to ads. I still have the base Spotify. The idea behind this function is that every month you'll be statement. No. behind this function is you be adding your bank statement. Reminds you by adding your bank statement and oh my word. There will be new place. There will most likely be new places. Actually, let me do this. The Elixir TypeScript, otherwise I did a bunch of other ones as well, like yeah, maybe I should use FN. Yeah. FXN. Where did I pick that up? Yeah, I guess FN is the math. Like if you're writing the math, that's how you represent a function, right? That's cool that you're trying to develop your own language. I'm definitely not that smart. No, you're right, it would just be F. Yeah, f of x. Yeah, that's right, that's right. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what Elixir. I have no idea what Elixir is. I know what TypeScript, or rather, I've heard of TypeScript. Yeah. Again, like I said, still, still very much a noob. Most likely be. Newer transactions that need to be categorized. This will ask how you'd like to do so. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Okay. So I guess what's the advantage of using Elixir over, say, Python? Obviously, Python's incredibly popular right now. But yeah, and I know Julia is another language for data science stuff. But yeah, I'd be curious to know what the advantages or disadvantages are for using Elixir over Python, or even R, if you've ever heard of R. Okay. Okay. adding nodes to stage everything, commit it, sync. Sweet. Okay. Interesting. It's good to know. Thanks, Dev. Okay. So, I actually have time for only one more thing. If you'll humor me, I want to. So I really like data visualization. I really like data visualizations. For me, it's more about the communication and constructing a story and all that stuff. I just really like it. I have some graphs, like the data nerd that I am. What a good problem to have. But yeah, so if you'll humor me, let's see. I have a good graph that well, maybe I should say decent graph. There's some issues, but I would like to walk through some of those issues and why I think it's good, if that's okay. Okay. Let me shrink this down. Okay. So, I am a huge fan of rugby. I think it's unpopular opinion. I think it's superior to American football. It's constant action. There's always stuff happening. And there's just something about watching big burly men run into each other trying to kill each other that I just enjoy and a bunch of other people enjoy as well. It's gaining popularity in the US. But yeah, so I found this graph. So 5-year interest in rugby-related searches, data provided by Google. So at first glance, I think this is a decent graph. I think the use of, first of all, if you just look at all the colors that are being used, it is very easy to read, to pick things out. Yeah, and especially like these, whoops, not what I wanted. Especially these like categories. It's too big. These categories, and you can easily see those categories even when like the lines are on top of each other. It's very easy to see. This yellow in the back and this yellow kind of arm marker thing, they don't clash. It's really easy to see and distinguish. Um, the title is really good. Categories are good. The colors for the categories are good. The other really big thing that I really like about this graph are the names. So, yeah, it's just they're putting major events that happen along the timeline. That's really something important that you want to do whenever you're showing data over time. Whoa, that was a terrible line. Whenever you're showing data over time, it can be really helpful to show major events that are happening, which can help to explain these. Oh, let me turn that down. It's really easy to see kind of like maybe an explanation for when things happen. So especially men's summer test matches, you can see there's a marked increase in searches. The Men's World Cup, obviously there's going to be a spike there as well. Another detail as well is that they're specifying in the United States. So, I mean, that's an important factor. If we're looking at New Zealand or South Africa, this data just would not would not make much sense. Let's back up a bit more. Okay. Now for some things that I don't like. So, the units across here, I don't know what that is. I don't know what 25, 50, 75, and 100 mean. 100 what? 100 searches per minute, 100 unicorn poops. What are the units here? Another thing too. This is a bit more nitpicky, I think. Oh, she forgot a comma right there. I mean, that's not a huge deal. I guess I'm debating whether to say this or not, but I guess I really like to have a bunch of dates down here. Maybe have a date right here to show what your endpoint is. Or maybe if you, well, I don't know. And see, so much of data visualization is caught up in design and good use of colors, which I think this does a really good job of doing. Yeah. Yeah, me personally, I would like more dates down here, but that one's not as that's not as strong a critique. From a design standpoint, I would be totally fine like accepting this as is, or maybe shrinking down the dates that are available and maybe adding a couple more on there. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. So, yeah, I guess another thing to think about as well is your 5 years. So yeah, maybe this endpoint is a bit more important. I mean, we're assuming that you're looking in 2024, right? But maybe I don't know, you look at the same graph 3 years later, then this doesn't make a whole lot of sense. This 5 years is like 2019. I mean, current year plus -5 is not 2019, right? And so, yeah, maybe having some sort of endpoint date right here is a bit more important. Yeah, I think that's about it for this graph. But yeah. So, all right. Well, we got a lot done today. Um, yeah, the y-axis does read like a percent, but see, here's what doesn't make sense. Like, what if it is a percent of what? Like, percent of people on the internet looking it up, right? Exactly, we can't see it, and that's part of the reason why I don't really like the y-axis, or at least some sort of label. Or is it 100 people look this stuff up, or oh, hmm. But yeah. Anyways, just a lowly data nerd. Wrong scene in OBS. What scene? Um, what scene do you think I should be using in OBS for this, for like a graph analysis, I guess? Or rather, what would you recommend? Oh, I'm stupid. I'm sorry. I was showing just my big face. Yes. Now you can see it. Haha. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, per percent, sure, it could be percent, but I mean, we just don't really know like what it is, right? Like, uh, I mean, it could be search interest, but I I guess I have a hard time really believing that that's what it is. Like on this day, 100% of people were looking up Olympic sevens, or roughly 50% were looking up men's 2019 World Cup, right? I mean, yeah, it's possible, but but again, we just don't know ultimately what it is. It could be percent. I could be persuaded to think that it's a percent, but again, me personally, I just have issues with assuming that it's just at a percent. And this is part of the issue, right? I mean, if we don't know what that y is, I mean, the x is pretty obvious. I mean, um, maybe it's a little redundant, but putting date on the bottom, but we can clearly see that those are dates, so maybe that's not really necessary. But yeah, putting whoops, putting like putting like a percent sign or yeah, I guess my pushback on your comment, Dev, is that um we just don't really know that for sure. And again, I'm being a little I'm being pretty nitpicky here. So here's how Google spits out data. Interesting. So this high watermark here, if we were to look, if we were to go from whoa, that was not straight at all. If we were to go from February 1st to August 2019, then this peak would be at 100%, right? If that's, again, assuming that's how Google spits their data out. Interesting. Okay. So maybe it is based on percent, and I've just never really used the search terms data from Google. But yeah, I mean, again, I guess from my perspective, I not really using search terms from Google, I wouldn't know or understand that the y-axis is a percent. But yes, if you're familiar with that data, then it most likely is a percent. And again, I could be convinced that's what it is, but yeah, yep. Well, I appreciate you humoring me. Um, I again, like I said, I really like. Oh, whoops. I really like graphs. Um, I'm very nerdy like that. Let me push my glasses up. um, but yeah. Um, well, Dev, I appreciate you talking back and forth. That was really nice. And yeah, if you've enjoyed your time here, I'd appreciate a follow. Um, but yeah, I need to go to bed. I am running on fumes, to be honest. But yeah, I appreciate you. I appreciate you coming and hanging out. And I'll be back tomorrow from um, oh, 6:30 a.m. Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, have a good day then, Dev. um, yeah, and I will hopefully you come by tomorrow, and we'll talk a bit more about data programming languages, that stuff. Okay, thanks a lot. See you guys.